Hi. Hi, Zion. How you doing? What- what Hi. Are you waving at mama? What you doing? Hi. Hi. You making mommy sleepy. Quit that. Hi. Say hi to mama. Are you gonna tell me hi? No. What's up? You just mighty cute, that boy. Hmm. Uh-oh. You ready to eat? Oh, don't stick your tongue out at me. Zion. Uh, Hi. Mm. Okay, let's eat. Yeah. Hi. Look like you trying to eat. All right, let's eat. Hi. Okay, we're gonna eat.